Surah, number 57, of Quran Majeed. The Ayan.
Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
سبح لله ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Whatever there is in the heavens and whatever there is on the earth glorifies Allah, and He is the Almighty, the All-Wise.
له ملك السماوات والأرض يحيي ويميت وهو على كل شيء قدير.
To Him belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth. He gives life and brings death, and He has power over all things.
هو الأول والآخر والظاهر والباطن وهو بكل شيء عليم.
He is the first and the last, the manifest and the hidden, and He has knowledge of all things.
هو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش يعلم ما يلج في الأرض وما يخرج منها وما ينزل من السماء وما يعرج فيها وهو معكم أينما كنتم والله بما تعملون بصير.
It is He who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, then settled on the throne. He knows whatever enters the earth and whatever emerges from it and whatever descends from the sky and whatever ascends to it, and He is with you wherever you may be, and Allah watches what you do.
له ملك السماوات والأرض وإلى الله ترجع الأمور.
To Him belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and to Allah all matters are returned.
يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وهو عليم بذات الصدور.
He makes the night pass into the day and makes the day pass into the night, and He knows best what is in the breasts.
آمنوا بالله ورسوله وأنفقوا مما جعلكم مستخلفين فيه فالذين آمنوا منكم وأنفقوا لهم أجر كبير.
Have faith in Allah and His Apostle, and spend out of that of which He has made you heirs. There is a great reward for those of you who have faith and spend in Allah's way.
وما لكم لا تؤمنون بالله والرسول يدعوكم لتؤمنوا بربكم وقد أخذ ميثاقكم إن كنتم مؤمنين.
Why should you not have faith in Allah when the Apostle invites you to have faith in your Lord, and He has certainly made a covenant with you, if you are genuinely faithful?
هو الذي ينزل على عبده آيات بينات ليخرجكم من الظلمات إلى النور وإن الله بكم لرؤوف رحيم.
It is He who sends down manifest signs to His servants that He may bring you out of darkness into light, and indeed Allah is most kind and merciful to you.
وما لكم ألا تنفقوا في سبيل الله ولله ميراث السماوات والأرض لا يستوي منكم من أنفق من قبل الفتح أولئك أعظم درجة من الذين أنفقوا من بعد وقاتلوا وكلا وعد الله الحسنى والله بما تعملون خبير.
Why should you not spend in the way of Allah, when to Allah belongs the heritage of the heavens and the earth? Those of you who spent their means, and fought before the victory are not equal to others. They are greater in rank than those who have spent and fought afterwards. Yet Allah has promised the best reward to each, and Allah is well aware of what you do.
من ذا الذي يقرض الله قرضا حسنا فيضاعفه له وله أجر كريم.
Who is it that will lend Allah a good loan, that he may multiply it for him and that there may be a noble reward for him?
يوم ترى المؤمنين والمؤمنات يسعى نورهم بين أيديهم وبأيمانهم بشراكم اليوم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها ذلك هو الفوز العظيم.
The day you will see the faithful, men and women, with their light moving swiftly in front of them and on their right, and they are greeted with the words, "There is good news for you today. Gardens with streams running in them, to remain in them, forever." That is the great success.
يوم يقول المنافقون والمنافقات للذين آمنوا انظرونا نقتبس من نوركم قيل ارجعوا وراءكم فالتمسوا نورا فضرب بينهم بسور له باب باطنه فيه الرحمة وظاهره من قبله العذاب.
The day the hypocrites, men and women, will say to the faithful, "Please wait, that we may glean something from your light." They will be told, "Go back and grope for light." Then there will be set up between them a wall with a gate, with mercy within and punishment without.
ينادونهم ألم نكن معكم قالوا بلى ولكنكم فتنتم أنفسكم وتربصتم وارتبتم وغرتكم الأماني حتى جاء أمر الله وغركم بالله الغرور.
They will call out to them, "Did we not use to be with you?" They will say, "Yes. But you cast yourselves into perdition. You awaited and were skeptical, and false hopes deceived you until the edict of Allah came, and the deceiver deceived you concerning Allah."
فَالْيَوْمَ لَا يُؤْخَذُ مِنْكُمْ فِدْيَةٌ وَلَا مِنَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا مَأْوَاكُمُ النَّارُ هِيَ مَوْلَاكُمْ وَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرُ.
So today no ransom shall be taken from you or the faithless. The fire will be your abode, it is your ultimate refuge and an evil destination.
أَلَمْ يَأْنِ لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَن تَخْشَعَ قُلُوبُهُمْ لِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ وَمَا نَزَلَ مِنَ الحق ولا يكونوا كالذين أوتوا الكتاب من قبل فطال عليهم الأمد فقست قلوبهم وكثير منهم فاسقون.
Is it not time yet for those who have faith that their hearts should be humbled for Allah's remembrance and toward the truth which has come down to them, and to be not like those who were given the book before? Time took its toll on them, and so their hearts were hardened, and many of them are transgressors.
اعلموا أن الله يحيي الأرض بعد موتها قد بينا لكم الآيات لعلكم تعقلون.
Know that Allah revives the earth after its death. We have certainly made the signs clear for you, so that you may exercise your reason.
إن المصدقين والمصدقات وأقرضوا الله قرضا حسنا يضاعف لهم ولهم أجر كريم.
Indeed, the charitable men and women and those who lend Allah a good loan, it shall be multiplied for them, and there will be a noble reward for them.
والذين آمنوا بالله ورسله أولئك هم الصديقون والشهداء عند ربهم لهم أجرهم ونورهم والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا أولئك أصحاب الجحيم.
Those who have faith in Allah and His apostles, it is they who are the truthful and witnesses with their Lord. They shall have their reward and their light. But as for those who are faithless and deny our signs, they shall be the inmates of hell.
اعلموا أنما الحياة الدنيا لعب ولهو وزينة وتفاخر بينكم وتكاثر في الأموال والأولاد كمثل غيث أعجب الكفار نباته ثم يهيج فتراه مصفرا ثم يكون حطاما وفي الآخرة عذاب شديد ومغفرة من الله ورضوان وما الحياة الدنيا إلا متاع الغرور.
Know that the life of this world is mere diversion and play, glamour and mutual vainglory among you and rivalry for wealth and children, like rain, whose growth impresses the farmer. Then it withers and you see it turn yellow, then it becomes chaff. Whereas in the hereafter there is forgiveness from Allah, and His approval and a severe punishment. The life of this world is nothing but the wares of delusion.
سابقوا إلى مغفرة من ربكم وجنة عرضها كعرض السماء والأرض أعدت للذين آمنوا بالله ورسله ذلك فضل الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
Take the lead towards forgiveness from your Lord and a paradise as vast as the heavens and the earth, prepared for those who have faith in Allah and His apostles. That is Allah's grace, which He grants to whomever He wishes, and Allah is dispenser of a great grace.
ما أصاب من مصيبة في الأرض ولا في أنفسكم إلا في كتاب من قبل أن نبرأها إن ذلك على الله يسير.
No affliction visits the land or yourselves, but it is in a book before we bring it about. That is indeed easy for Allah.
لكي لا تأسوا على ما فاتكم ولا تفرحوا بما آتاكم والله لا يحب كل مختال فخور.
So that you may not grieve for what escapes you, nor boast for what comes your way, and Allah does not like any swaggering braggart.
الذين يبخلون ويأمرون الناس بالبخل ومن يتول فإن الله هو الغني الحميد.
Such as are, themselves, stingy and bid other people to be stingy. And whoever refuses to comply, should know that, indeed Allah is the all-sufficient, the all-laudable.
لقد أرسلنا رسلنا بالبينات وأنزلنا معهم الكتاب والميزان ليقوم الناس بالقسط وأنزلنا الحديد فيه بأس شديد ومنافع للناس وليعلم الله من ينصره ورسله بالغيب إن الله قوي عزيز.
Certainly we sent our apostles with manifest proofs, and we sent down with them the book and the balance, so that mankind may maintain justice, and we sent down iron, in which there is great might and uses for mankind, and so that Allah may know those who help him and his apostles, with faith, in the unseen. Indeed Allah is all-strong, almighty.
ولقد أرسلنا نوحا وإبراهيم وجعلنا في ذريتهما النبوة والكتاب فمنهم مهتد وكثير منهم فاسقون.
Certainly we sent Noah and Abraham and we ordained among their descendants prophethood and the book. Some of them are, rightly, guided, and many of them are transgressors.
ثم قفينا على آثارهم برسلنا وقفينا بعيسى ابن مريم وآتيناه الإنجيل وجعلنا في قلوب الذين اتبعوه رأفة ورحمة ورهبانية ابتدعوها ما كتبناها عليهم إلا ابتغاء رضوان الله فما رعوها حق رعايتها فآتينا الذين آمنوا منهم أجرهم وكثير منهم فاسقون.
Then we followed them up with our apostles and we followed them with Jesus son of Mary, and we gave him the evangel, and we put kindness and mercy into the hearts of those who followed him. But as for monasticism, they innovated it. We had not prescribed it for them, only seeking Allah's pleasure. Yet they did not observe it with due observance. So we gave to the faithful among them their due reward, but many of them are transgressors.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وآمنوا برسوله يؤتكم كفلين من رحمته ويجعل لكم نورا تمشون به ويغفر لكم والله غفور رحيم.
O you who have faith! Be wary of Allah and have faith in His Apostle. He will grant you a double share of His mercy and a light to walk by, and He will forgive you, and Allah is all forgiving, all merciful.
لئلا يعلم أهل الكتاب ألا يقدرون على شيء من فضل الله وأن الفضل بيد الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
So that the people of the book may know that they do not control Allah's grace in any wise, and that in Allah's hand is all grace, which He grants to whomever He wishes, and Allah is dispenser of a mighty grace.